Good afternoon, students. Today's chapter is Principles of External Applications. Homeopathy mainly advocates the internal medication alone on the symptom similarity for the treatment of disease. External applications are not in accordance with the principle of homeopathy, which is mentioned in 5th edition of Organon of Medicine in aphorism 185 to 203. Aphorism 185 to 203, 5th edition of Organon of Medicine. But in aphorism 284 and aphorism 285 in 6th edition of Organon of Medicine, Hahnemann has given an exceptional allowance for external applications. It implies that while curative remedies should be continued internally, the same medicine may be used externally as a lotion, liniment, ointment, etc. External applications are used in various cases like accidental cases, injuries, lacerations, burns, to relieve muscle tension and antiseptic dressing. Homeopathic medicines are dispensed as external applications in vehicle like the oils, almond oils, rosemary oils, sesame oils, olive oils, and also glycerin, soft paraffin, spermaceti, prepared lard, starch, white wax, etc. Now comes what are the routes of administration. The routes of administration of external medications. What are the routes of administration of the medications? These are rubbing and local application. Then comes the types of external applications. Types of external application. What are the types? First comes the vehicles used. Liquid vehicles used for external applications, and secondly semi-solid vehicles used for external applications. What are the vehicles used under liquid vehicles? Liquid vehicles में comes the purified water, glycerin, olive oil, almond oil, rosemary oil, sesame oil, or you can say teal oil. And then comes the semi-solid vehicle. Semi-solid vehicles, first is Vaseline. That can be called as soft paraffin. Soft paraffin can be yellow soft paraffin and can be white soft paraffin. Next comes the under semi-solid vehicle, Vaseline. Next, wax. Wax में under wax there is beeswax, spermaceti, lanolin. Under beeswax can again be yellow beeswax or white beeswax. After the wax, under semi-solid vehicle, again comes the prepared lard. Then soap. Under soap, that can be soft soap, that can be hard soap, that can be coarse soap also. Then also another is starch. Then these are the vehicles from which we prepare the external applications. One is liquid vehicle and other is the semi-solid vehicle. Next comes what are the external applications. List of types of external applications, then the list of external applications. What are the list of external applications? Under list there is glycerols, there is ointments, liniments, apodelcol, lotions, syrups, pollutants, fermentations, also plasters, oils. Under oils there is botry oils, there is mullein oil, there is olive oil, there is rosemary oil, there is arnica oil. Then also we have under external applications we have also injections that can be rectal, urethral or vaginal, and also surgical dressings, they also comes under the external applications. So these are the list of external applications which are made in homeopathy. Then we will be going in detail a preparation of external applications. How the external applications are prepared, what are the principles followed to prepare the external applications. At first we will be going to prepare the external applications, glycerols. How the glycerols are prepared. These are the mixture of solutions of mother tincture in glycerin. Most of them are much viscous with jelly-like consistencies. So what is the preparation? Glycerol, you are going to mix the mother tincture with glycerin. Then what is the principle behind it? What should be the amount of mother tincture, what should be the amount of glycerin, and what are the apparatus, what are the requirements for the preparation of glycerin. So here we take 1 part by weight of or volume of required mother tincture or drug to be mixed with 9 parts by weight or volume of glycerin. What are the requirements for the preparation of glycerin? Apparatus. A perfectly clean round file with a new non-porous, well-fitting velvet cork is taken. One balance is taken along with the weight box or measuring bottle to measure the quantity of drug substance as well as the vehicle. Then the labeling paper is needed. Pen, paper, gum, scissor, etc. are required. And what are the ingredients? The ingredients are required amount of mother tincture or crude drug substance and required amount of the glycerin. Then what is the principle, what is the procedure? Under principle, the HPA also recommends addition of mother tincture of a drug or a crude drug to the glycerin in various proportion, excepting that of starch, which is made by mixing 1 part of the required drug substance with 4 parts of the glycerin. So, while preparing the glycerol, 9 parts or 4 parts of glycerin is taken in a clean round file and 1 part of the mother tincture is poured over it and well stirred. A homogeneous mixture is prepared by vigorous shaking. We have to shake the bottle containing both the glycerin and the mother tincture. In preparing the glycerols of a crude drug, finely triturate it. Crude drug, when we use crude drug rather than the mother tincture, we have to finely triturate the crude drug in a mortar and pestle before mixing with the glycerol. The glycerols are very convenient mixtures and being soluble in water and alcohol can be diluted to make it lotion, liniment, etc. And what are the examples of glycerol? This is the method of glycerol and examples. Example में which mother tincture can be taken? We can prepare calendula glycerol. We can prepare phytolacca glycerol. We can prepare hydrostress. We can prepare borax glycerol. And also we can prepare glycerol of carbolic acid. We can also prepare glycerol of starch. These are certain few examples of glycerol. Then what are the precautions to be taken while preparing the glycerols? Proper cleaning of the utensils should be done. What are the apparatus you are going to use are to be cleaned properly. Test the purity of the glycerin before putting it into use. Continue mixing till the color becomes uniform. While you are going to mix glycerin with mother tincture, you have to mix it continuously so that there is uniform color. And after preparation of the glycerin, a note of for external use only must be put in the file under the name of the glycerin. What are the glycerin? You have to put like this for external use only. This labeling should be done above the container and the name of the glycerin, whatever it may be. So this is the procedure how glycerins are made in homeopathy. So in all, while preparing any external applications, we should follow the principle. What are the necessary requirements for the preparation of external ointment, any external applications, and what are the of which drug you are going to prepare, what is the principle to be followed, the procedure to be followed, and the precautions to be taken. And after glycerol, we are going to study the preparation of the ointments, liniments, lotions, how all these things are prepared, what is the proportion of the drug used to vehicle, and what is the procedure in preparing the external applications, what are the methods followed, what are the what are the instruments used. All these are to be noted down while preparing the external applications, and which external application is used in which conditions. So these things are necessary to know before preparing the external applications.